Pocky Willy.
Welcome all to the Pokey Willy channel, and she's my Pokey Willy. She's Radhika,
My real name is Radhika. Well, you can call me as Pocky Willy.
or Pokey or Willy Willy. Pokey Willy.
Everything.
Okay.
So let's get started. Most of you commented when I sent you when I sent all of when you saw my unicorn picture, you wanted me to sketch it. So let's start it on
Okay,
video.
great.
So first step, make a curve like this.
Okay.
You can see a little closer and just ending out the C. It's kind of like a C, but the C is more often like this shape. And then we are just going this. I know this kind of looks weird, but it will soon become a unicorn. So if you have attached this line, as I showed you, the C is gotten longer, and now from this edge we are going to curve it a little and make another curve. Good. So now let's do the eye. The eye is pretty easy to make. Just do a line like this and then like this, and just this line can't be seen. So let's do a little here. Just going to color this up, and if you want to know, you can also put a line here to add any color line if you want. Now let's make a cute smile and a nose. Now curl it back there. So now we are just going to move it like a unicorn head. This is not this is a basic unicorn. That one was well harder, so I have made it a little different for you to try. First, then we'll do the hard one. So now we're going to sketch out some ears. So the ear line should be light, so if we need an eraser, we can erase it. Like, if you want to know a trick, it's pretty easy. If you have something like wrong, just take the line and start it above. You've got long ears now. Not too long, but short, kind of. And now let's start with the eye again. Make the eyelashes, a little eyebrow. Who minds eyebrow? That doesn't look good. Actually, I need to erase it. So now let's just dark it, but make the eyebrow a different way. And second separate eyelid, and this part should be kind of blended, like almost like that. So this is what I did for now. Let's wait for you to do. Are you done? So let's do the next step. Now if you want your unicorn to have a little decor, you can make a like this, because unicorns always have something around their neck. There's never anything without that, right? Maybe they have flowers, rainbows, anything. So I'm just going to cross it here, and see, it's pretty good. Now the unicorn looks pale because it hasn't any color. So let's color it, then we'll move on to the mane. I'm just going to color it. I did a little shade. It's easy to make. You just need a dark color of pink and just take it around the ears like this. And just color a light color like this in there. Pretty easy. And if you want a unicorn colored, you have to take some color, but I think rainbow goes well with white unicorns. So let's start. Now let's move on to the unicorn. It's my तूने pause तो नहीं करा? Sorry, I just got a little distracted. So I am just going to color the rainbow in here. So now I'm using dark green. See how beautifully the colors come if you have the right color shade. And if you did all of the colors you want in the rainbow swirl, you can do that again. You can do oh, I didn't need to sharpen. No, so you can do the same thing. You can repeat it again, and if any color gets lost, any color has no space, don't worry. You can just leave it because that looks beautiful too. I'm not doubting that. So I'm just going to sharpen my pencil. So wait for a few minutes. This is a really special container. I love it. So it actually has 2 layers of pencils. I love it. And it came with a special sharpener. See, it's clear. I always use this sharpener. Oh, I don't. Oh, why am I putting it here? Let me just put it here. Oh, I need the eraser too. So just take that. So now I'm going to color some dark blue. I've got the dark blue, then some. Oh, wrong color. Light pink. Oh, I said pink, but it's pink actually. Ooh. Let's color dark. You see, my lines are also running out. It will look beautiful if the colors repeat. And there's no matter to make a different drawing. Just continue. After so much hard work, you have to remove your drawing. See, I don't have any space to color the other colors, so I'm just going to leave it till light green. It looks pretty good, right? And these pencils are not that special, but they are kind of special because if you put them in water, they spread the color, and they come with a brush, so you can spread the color. And their nibs are very soft, so we have to work very, very carefully, or else it will start breaking. So now, shall we make the eyeshadow? That sounds kind of weird, but who doesn't have eyeshadow? Rainbow eyeshadow for a unicorn. Coming up. Now dark green and then dark blue. And lastly, if I don't have any space, but no problem. So now we are going to outline it with some light pink. So I'm just going to sharpen my light pink. Oh, I said blink again. What silly. I don't know something, but this drawing is getting me kind of tired. My hands
You should be excited.
I am excited, but I'm kind of getting sleepy at the same time. I'm waiting for when I get to decorate. So now the eyes color. That's what I was waiting for. Put the colors in now. And a light green. See, the colors blended. Look how beautiful the eye looks. And now the lips kind of look pale, so let's give them a shade of red. Isn't that looking like lipstick? Almost like lipstick, but now let's check it out. It was before, it was so pale. Now it's getting so beautiful and colorful. Now the easy thing about this is that you just need to follow against the rainbow. What the rainbow shows, you have to do the same. And now if my line is complete, I'm just going to color the upper part all yellow and the downer part all the other colors. This way you save up room for every color. So now, and if you have a problem that all of the colors are done but you still have balls, don't worry. You can just color them and repeat. It still looks beautiful. So now I'm just going to color some dark blue, repeat the rainbow. Oh, I colored the wrong color, but no problem. So we are back again, and now if any of your color comes out, don't worry. You can just blend it. Take some water. I have some water here down the table, and just blend it.
Like if some children are unable to connect with them.
Don't worry. Just you can do this way. Just underline the object and carefully repeat the color.
Okay. And make it a design.
Yep. Who says no?
Wow, that's a wonderful idea.
So now, if a unicorn was real, it would definitely have like a body shape. So first let's do this wing pattern.
Unicorn has wings?
Yeah. I guess it's called a pelican. I don't know. I don't remember. I don't know too much about unicorns, but I love them. So it's a different type of unicorn, but well, I don't know that much about them, so let's just begin. With the tail, it shows a little bit, but mostly it doesn't. So we are just going to show like little rainbow here. Mostly unicorns have long tail, so if you're making a picture, please I advise you to make the tail longer, because it doesn't look too good. But we don't have any space, so we are just have to deal what we have. I'm just going to make the blue line thicker because we have still more space. And you know why I'm doing the pink at the and light pink at last? Because it isn't looking nice before the darker pink. So the tail is done. Now to give the wings a little detail, we're just going to do inside the wings some extra feathers. Easily, we are just going to sketch out some lines. See, now it looks more than more than wings. But be sure to sketch out the lines well, so it doesn't look like the wings are mixing with the body, or else it won't look good. So just make a end like this, but don't connect it, because it's still joining with the body. And if you just leave it like this, it won't look like it. It will have problem. So This is almost done, but to make it even more special, let's do like this. So let's see, like the unicorn is here rearing, like, so let's make some hooves. And now on its paw we are just going to put a little gold accessory here, because unicorns always find something interesting. Good. They always are colorful and magic. Now what we are going to do is take some orange and some brown. The brown should be lighter on here. And now I'm just going to take my my brush, wet it, and back I go. As I told you, these colors mix because they are special colors, so they mix. So I'm just going to handle the brush easily. As you see, some color came off, but before it dries, oh no, it got worse. No problem.
You can make this as its fingers, like paw fingers.
Who does paw fingers? I'm just going to try to erase it, but it's not going to erase.
It's looking like a disaster.
Okay, and this side. Who doesn't? So now I made it more of a curve like, so it looks like, well, better. So now we are going to put orange on all of it, so the colors can mix. Now I'm going to be really careful.
Would you like to explain like how you handled the color coming out?
So I just made the color. It's easy. I just took some black and made it even bigger. I just made it, but it kind of doesn't look good. But you have to deal what you have to deal with. I told you that later. Why isn't this brush coming on my hand? So now let's mix it up. It's all mixed. Shouldn't touch it. So now let's make the sign.
Sign?
Yep, this is going to have like a dream, like unicorn sign.
Like I didn't understand what?
Like this is watch and see. It's going to have a sign. They're easy to make. You just need to soft them out. Oh, it was easy. So dream. I just put the R down because I did a spelling mistake. So dream light.
That was a nice idea to correct the spelling without spoiling the drawing. Amazing.
Yep, I throw paper a lot, but I thought after so much hard work, why throw this drawing when you can correct with an eye?
With smart ideas.
Yep.
Very impressing.
Like.
Very impressive. Dream like?
You know.
Dream like unicorn. Whoa.
Well, if you can say something else with unicorn. Universe, unicorn.
Whoa.
That's going to be in our second video. What do you think I should name the unicorn? Tell me, please. I'm eager to see the names. Because I can't suggest a name.
Dream like Pokebelly.
Yeah, I would make it. But I can't make the Pokebelly sign because don't know how to sketch that well. That's
Okay,
pretty
maybe in
sad.
the next video we'll come up with Pokey Willy art and craft. Maybe something creative. Would you like to do something like that?
No, but I'm thinking of making the unicorn. It's going to be a little surprise crafting video from me. It's going to be a drawing video actually.
Is it done or are we going to color all of this? Is the unicorn done?
No, you have to color the sign too.
And what about the wings?
No, the wings stay white.
Oh,
Got-
I was thinking you will color the wings with multiple colors.
No, we cannot color the wings because then we'll have to color the whole body. Because it's attaching with it. We can't make something like that.
Can
Or-
the children make it?
No.
Still like it?
Yeah, you can. Basically, it's nothing. You just have to color it, and then if it looks good, it's your choice. Like in that unicorn, that was a difficult one for me, how to sketch that out, because that time I really did a difficulty to make that. And if you don't want any difficulty, please, I request you, let it stay white. But you can do something. You can underline the lines with a blue color or any color. It's choiceable. Or you can do it rainbow like. You know that I love dark green in dresses. You know why? Because the way that tailors stitch it, I love it. The color is more lighter than color. Main color, the cloth is more lighter. The green color is more shiny and lighter. That's why I like green color in cloth, blue too, and pink too. They are all pretty good. So the basically drawing